Basically, what we were talking about is how are the cycles working throughout the year? This is very important, all right? How are the cycles working throughout the year? So first thing you want to know is that the true open of the trading financial year starts on the first week, was it the 1st of April? Sorry, first Monday of the of April. It's not on 1st January. So that's where the first quarter starts. All right. So when you look at that, chart down here, you understand that the financial markets working in quarterlies like that. So essentially, you have the true year open down here. This is it. On the day, this is going to be 7th of April because that's the first Monday, right? Because before that we have 31st of March on Monday, and then we have, right, 31st March does not count. 1st of April, sorry, Gabby's the best. So that would be the first Monday of April. That is the true year open. So that's when you have the first quarter starting. And then you look at the price action and you see that, in fact, immediately after we opened the year, we had the manipulation to the downside, and then we completely went crazy, right? We completely went crazy to the upside. So now from here, you want to start counting the days of the quarters, right? You want to start counting the days of the quarter. So you have April, right? You have April down here. 90 days, right? 70, 80, 90 days. All right, 90 days. Where is that? Basically, it's gonna bring you to like July, beginning of July, right? So this is when this move should exhaust, right? We should exhaust the bullish movement to the upside. Then what's going to happen after that? After that, we're going to enter in July in the Bitcoin accumulation phase, right? In the Bitcoin accumulation phase, because this is what happens. This is how it all works. So after we finish this massive expansion up here, we're going to enter into a few months or 1 quarter consolidation, right? This is going to be the consolidation period. So that's when I think that we're going to get the out season. At the moment where Bitcoin starts consolidating like that, I think this is where we're going to experience the out season, you know, and that's going to be up until the next quarter. And what happens in the following quarter, which is going to happen in October, right? So in October, we're supposed to see a manipulation move, which is going to be most likely that range and then exit the range to the upside. So whether we're going to see a new all-time high by the end of the year or not, it's possible. It's also possible not to happen, right? It depends on the depth of the range. But looking at previous cycle, like the depth of the range could be like, you know, looking something like 20-30%. So what could happen is, you know, once we enter into the last quarter, into the third quarter, not the last, the third one, we're going to see some sort of manipulation from that range. And then that's going to be like it. And once we finish the year, we should be now entering into the bear market. That's what I think is going to happen. And that's how usually price works. So that's for the new people here.